Who's ready to see my invention? It's not your normal recipe. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh yeah. I just took my regular bread recipe and and I put some raisins and I mixed up some cinnamon with sweetener and I rolled it in. It's good. Yep, it's good. Tastes really good. I'll have to put the what I did down at the bottom of this because y'all seen my other bread recipes and seen me do it. Now this recipe, it was a little bit weird. I wanted to try 6 cups of flour, and I did, and I think I overdid it. It could have been a lot less. Could have been 5 cups like I usually put, but I decided I wanted to see if I could get 6 cups in there and see what it tasted like, and I'm not too pleased with that. I mean, the bread's soft and everything, and it's tight, but it's the crust. It's like I think it would do better and rise better and everything with the 5 cups of flour, at least where I'm at, because I could not. I let it rise in the pans before baking it. Oh my gosh, probably 45 minutes, and it just barely got above the top of the pans. So I'm thinking, and even when I punched it down after its first rise, it was a little bit flaky. So might be good for biscuits. But this is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of worried about if it would work or not, and because there's recipes you can look up, and I was like, man, I'm not gonna sit there for a year and read a recipe and try to walk back and forth because I don't walk too good anyway. So and I had a bunch of cinnamon, and so I decided I'd give this a shot and just roll it after the first rise. And I cut the bread, and when I was getting ready to form it to go into the bread pans, I flattened this one out, and uh, and I mixed up the cinnamon, and and that's what you want to use first before the raisins, because it's a little bit hard to smear cinnamon with raisins popping out everywhere. So you want to smear the cinnamon in the center, and what I did is I made a line on the edge, and then I rolled it. So that's how come it came out like it did. Anyway, I'm gonna have some, and we'll talk to y'all t- tomorrow. Oh yeah, it'll be day 4 for the sourdough starter. Okay, so we will see y'all tomorrow. and I'll be sure and put this recipe down at the bottom, and y'all can work on it and let me know how it comes out for y'all, adding or subtracting, whatever y'all want to do. Okay? So remember, if you make it, own it. Be proud of it. Sure, it's your kitchen, your rules. Okay, love you guys. Bye.